In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com. We're going to walk through a simple automation that sends a notification whenever a status changes on your board. By the end of this video, you'll have an automation set up that quietly runs in the background and keeps the right people informed without you having to send a single manual email. Start by opening the board where you want the automation to run. At the top right of your board, you'll see a button labeled Automate. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Automation Center, which is where you can browse and configure all of your automation recipes. Think of this area as your control hub for anything you want Monday.com to do automatically. Once the Automation Center is open, look for the search bar at the top. In that search bar, type, "When status changes to something, notify someone." This is the specific recipe we're going to use. It's a great starting point because it's flexible and works with almost any workflow that relies on status updates. When you see the recipe appear in the list of results, click on it to select it. This will open a configuration window where you'll customize the placeholders so the automation fits your board. You'll notice several parts of the sentence are highlighted as placeholders. First, click the area labeled Status. This tells Monday.com which of your board's columns it should watch. From the list of your columns, select the status column you use to track progress, such as task status or project phase. Choosing the correct column here is important because this is what will trigger the email. Next, click the placeholder labeled Something. This is where you choose the specific status label that should trigger the notification. For example, you might pick Done, Stuck, or Needs Review, depending on your process. This means that whenever an item's status changes to that label, the automation will fire. Then, click the placeholder labeled Someone. Here, choose who should be notified when this happens. You can select yourself, a specific teammate, or even an entire team, depending on how your account is set up. Make sure you pick the person or group that actually needs to receive the update. Once everything looks correct, click Add to Board. This saves and activates the automation. From now on, whenever an item's status changes to the label you selected, Monday.com will automatically send a notification to the person or team you chose, keeping everyone aligned without any extra work from you.